Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix blurry screen on PS5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're experiencing a blurry screen on your PS5, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you fix it. First method, adjust PS5 display settings. Go to the PS5 home screen. Choose the settings icon at the top right. Navigate to the screen and video. Under the video output, choose resolution. Set the resolution to match your TV's monitor's native resolution. Make sure it's set to 1080p for full HD, to 160p for 4K. Ensure that HDR is set correctly for your display. If your TV monitor does not support HDR, go ahead and turn it off. Now, on the screen and video, go to the screen, choose Adjust Display Area, and just follow the prompt to properly fit the display to your screen. Last method, update firmware. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to the Settings, System Software, System Software Update, and Settings. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the blurry screen issue on your PS5. If the problem continues, you may need to contact Sony support or the manufacturer of your TV monitor for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.